No, this is not some creative experiment, not some modern art project. No, this is the contents in the pan of a 1968 Ford F250 Camper Special black plate California truck with only about 50,000 miles. Yeah, right. So among the transmission fluid and filter change, we're also going to look at the monster Dana 60 on this thing. I'm interrupting myself, I know, but that is just a thing. We're going to flush the brakes. And this truck has discs up front, which is pretty cool. Everything looks really nice as far as pad length, pad wear, whatever wear is minimal. 390 engine. And there's the proof right there. Camper Special, 390 powered. It's got a deuce on it. Yeah, so we're going to basically take care of the brakes. There's a weird no action, probably air in the lines, and all of a sudden you're putting your head through the windshield. So I'm going to flush and bleed the brakes. But I'm going to leave everything intact, and then we'll see where things take us. So this is Gramps' Garage, unscripted.